Blackview launches X1 smartwatch, and it's currently only $35. Are you looking for a smartwatch? Blackview's new X1 is currently available for only $35. I'm quite a fan of Blackview's rugged smartphones, especially the new BV9800 Pro with built-in FLIR Lepton thermal camera, so I was interested to learn that the company had released a smartwatch. The X1 is described as a smartwatch for every occasion, and the design is quite neat. It's a traditional round face encased in Corning Gorilla Glass 3 surrounded by brushed metal. The display itself is a 1.8-inch colored display featuring 4 different dials. As well as the usual calls and SMS notifications that you'd expect from a smartwatch, the X1 also features all-day heart rate monitoring, nice different sports modes, and is waterproof to 5 atmospheres, which means it's good for swimming and snorkeling, but not scuba diving. It's got a pretty impressive battery life too. In regular daily use, Blackview rates the battery at an impressive 10 days, while switching it to basic watch mode boosts this to an incredible 45 days. The X1 comes in a choice of black or silver finishes, and is supplied with 2 straps, and is compatible with both iOS and Android smartphones. Normally priced at $69.99, the Blackview X1 is available for pre-order for $34.99 until May 24th. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.